these 5 GJM supporters were arrested early this morning. This also included a woman supporter. Now this fresh allegation that is being made by their advocate, who's saying that they've been physically tortured inside the police custody.
Yes, just a while back I spoke with their advocate Thibang Lamba, and he's told us, these are the exclusive details, 5 sections have been slapped on these 5 arrested, the Gorkha Janmukti Morcha workers, 143, 153 AB, section 353, 186, 34 of the Indian Penal Code, and also section 3 and 4 for the PDPP Act. Basically what the West Bengal police has done in the late night crackdown and the early morning crackdown, these 5, which also includes 1 woman, they were taken into custody. The charges that have been clamped on them are inciting violence and also assaulting police. Now, when they were taken into custody, their advocate has filed a couple of petitions, and the advocate, Mr. Lamba, told Republic TV that at least as far as 2 of these Gorkha Janmukti Morcha activists, the workers who are in custody as we speak, have marks of physical torture on their body. And the 1 woman which has also been taken into custody as we speak has been taken into judicial custody. She will be there for judicial custody for the next 2 days, and the rest 4 will be in for police remand. Remember now, if one has to believe the advocate, if one has to believe the marks of physical torture which he says that are on their body, we'll try and go as close to that police station, although Republic TV crew was not really allowed in that particular premises, saying that the area is sensitive. However, I've also been in touch with the family members of Themba Kamang, the lady who was arrested. In fact, she was picked up from her residence in the morning. I spoke to her son. He has refused to come on camera, saying that this might affect the case of a mother who is in detention right now as we speak. Now, yes, as far as the Gorkha Janmukti Morcha is concerned, we spoke to Bimal Gurung earlier, just few hours back. He says that whether there are 5 people, 500 or 5,000, this is the Andolan, this is the movement, a rejuvenated one, and he and his whole his cadre is not going to budge down. They are mentally prepared for these arrests. But yes, as far as the physical torture, the police remand, and if at all these police excesses take place, as that's what they are claiming or alleging, this is going to get more bigger and murkier, because remember, Mamata Banerjee has categorically even earlier said that she is not going to give any space to Gorkha Janmukti Morcha, and the way their agitation has taken off in the last 72 hours, no untoward incident, or perhaps these workers will not be allowed to take law in their hand. But as far as the Darjeeling city is considered, we have been traveling in the interiors also, there is an uneasy calm, and there's a wait and watch as far as what happens tomorrow is concerned, because in the second round, Gorkha Janmukti Morcha has given a big call for a massive shutdown. They've said that no government employee will be going in, perhaps joining their duties. At the same time today, what Republic has learned, the district magistrate, like earlier on Friday when the Morcha had given a call, similar sort of stringent measures have been announced by the district magistrate here, saying that if none of the employees, if any of the government employees follow these shutdown procedures, if they don't come to duty tomorrow, that's Monday, then some action will be taken either, or their salaries will be deducted. Studio.